Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily buy barcodes. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you're gonna do it, you will get right here Barcodes Talk, and it's a wonderful and really effective website how you can buy barcodes, and I'm going to show you the whole process, how we can buy it and how we can use it. So the first thing you want to do is just click here on login and create account. Don't have account, create new account. The really great thing about Barcodes Talk, not only that their customer support is really great, but also you get plenty of educational material right here. And as you can see, when you're gonna order it, you see that you have options for USA, Canada, or GTN 13 for Europe, Asia, other countries right here that you can use if you're gonna order. Because I ordered just barcode for this tutorial, so you see it actually works. Now, if you're gonna, as I mentioned, log in and create new account with the link down below in the description, and you're gonna add email address, password, and everything, then you're just gonna click next to the barcodes overview, buy barcodes. And here you have option. The more barcodes you're gonna buy, the cheaper is going to be. But let's say I want to buy 5 barcodes. I click here purchase. Then I write here, I'm going to add 5. So that's price for one, $2. And subtotal is going to be $10. I'm going to proceed to checkout. Then I'm going to just simply add email address here. Next step. Now just wait until it loads. Now you just add a company name. This is the certificate that you will get. And it will look like this. Look at this, I'm going to show you. So this is the certificate of GTN that you need and you can have. So GTS identification numbers. So that's really good. You add a first name, last name, and phone number. Next step, and company name right here. Next step. Then you're gonna add payment method if you're gonna pay with your card or PayPal. Now my recommendation is it's completely up to you. So if you just add a card number or PayPal here, I'm paying most of the stuff with the PayPal, so it's up to you. Next step, and then you're gonna have terms and comments. And then the last thing is review the order and you're good to go. So I agree with the terms above. Next step. And we just wait here. And you just click here, review my order. Now, when you're gonna click review my order, you're gonna see like the email address here, everything, and you're gonna click done, pay now. And in the moment when you're gonna pay, let me show you something. When you're gonna pay here, and this is going to be the order that you will get. Look at this, I bought. And then I'm going to click download right here. And I'm going to open the file. You can see right here. So first thing first, you gotta see the FAQ about the barcode, terms of use. Then you're gonna have the certificate of assignment. See, right here. Then you're gonna have the Europe and Asia. EN. Spreadsheet. If you're gonna buy multiple ones, you can simply use it. And you can always use the EPS here, the JPEG. And you can just like download all and then just like print it out and use it for your products, right? So this is pretty much it, how we can do it. And this is how you can buy barcodes. You can have for USA, Canada, Europe, Asia, other countries. And that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, provide you some guidance, support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. This is how you can simply buy barcodes in Europe, US, Amazon, Asia. It doesn't matter where you're from. Just with the link down below in the description. When you're gonna click, you will get it right here. And you can buy it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.